everyone and all present here, honorable judges, honorable principal sir and ma'am, esteemed teachers, and all the fellow Hattinians. I'm Afifa Khala from 10th standard. So today I stand here not to deliver a speech but to carry weight, a weight that Assam never wanted to take. Because today is the birthday of a man who is no longer with us. Yet he is louder than living, and he is the pride of this land, Jubin Garg. He used to bring tears, emotion, memories all together. Because he was not just an artist, he was a rebel, a protector, a lion-hearted who fought for truth even when truth hurt him. He said that মই সত্যক ক'বলৈ ভয় নকৰোঁ জ্বলিলেও কওঁ. And he exactly lived like that. He raised his voice for truth, for justice, for poor, for artists, for our Assamese culture, and even for those who doesn't have anyone to stay for them. And he was not just a man, he was a woman. From Mayavini to Jani, from stage to cinema, he showed what real talent looked like. And you see, as the day he lived, thousands Assamese stood and terrace, highway and highway to see our vision for last one time. He said that মই চিপাহী নহয়, মই অসমৰ মুক্ত আকাশ. And even the open sky cried for him, it seemed like Assam was waiting from the sky. You see, if Jubin had fallen into Brahmaputra, the river would surely brought him back. Because Brahmaputra was his heartbeat, his breath, his family, even his home. এই মাটি, এই মানুহ, এই নদী সকলো তেওঁ. Brahmaputra would brought him back, but fact took him far away to a place that doesn't borrow us, Assam, our Jubin and our life. And that's why it's too hard to accept. And today on his birthday, one truth will never change that. His voice will continue in every function, every festival, every joy, and even every pulse of Assam. So at last, I want to say that today Assam is not only crying, Assam is waiting for truth, waiting for justice, waiting for the answer he deserves. Because Jubin learned, but fight not. Assam is waiting for justice, a